I just created and launched my very own cryptocurrency, and I'm going to explain to you exactly how I did it very briefly. I also want to show my subscribers a very easy way to make money in crypto, how to set up some of the indicators, and what to follow. And some of you guys wanted me to cover BONK and PEPE, so I am going to be doing that as well. Basically, I went over to pump.fund's website, connected my wallet. You can choose a wallet of your type, but a very popular one is Phantom Wallet. I had to open a brand new wallet. I started a brand new coin right here. It's going to take you to this page where you drop a name of the coin, a ticker, a description, an image, and then you can have some more options down here where you can drop your Twitter link, Telegram link, or website. So I dropped my website down there, which is basically just my link tree that links people to my business email, custom indicator, YouTube channel, Discord, Twitter, and a donate button. Now, very simply, I launched a coin under the ticker symbol LTTRY. It is called Lottery Stocks Coin. Now, my coin is currently at a $10,276 market cap, as you can see right here. And once it gets above $95,000 market cap on pump.fund, it will graduate to potentially bigger and better money, to potentially exchanges with larger cash flow, bigger buyers coming in, all that other stuff. So if we can get this coin all the way over there, then I am perfectly fine with holding this for the medium to long term. I didn't plan on creating this as some sort of rug pull. I also wanted to note, I've talked about it a little bit very briefly, that I will be giving my subscribers the edge to sell before I sell, and I will be dropping a video on that. I also want to note I do not hold that much. You can see the dev down here. I hold 12.6%, which is a decent amount. Obviously, it is my coin. Bonding curve progress is sitting at 29%. King of the Hill progress is sitting at 33%. Now, I launched this about 24 hours ago by the time you're seeing this video. Here you can see some of the holders that bought in. Right here, holding 2.68%, 1.92, 1.33, 1.26, 1.07, 0.75, 0.26, 0.25, 0.06, 0.02. And this selling pressure that you're seeing are just bots who are trading my coin and who are trading other coins. People have created bots to come over here on pump.fund and buy in and sell a little bit later, fraction of shares, hoping to catch some pumps, but also keeping their risk very, very low, which is an extremely smart idea. Now, keep in mind, you can come over here on pump.fund and trade some of these coins. You can see these coins are getting created every single minute. This one I just pressed on has a 7,600 market cap. You can see it is absolutely brand new and it is already somehow selling off and getting rugged. Be very, very careful over on this site, guys. You can definitely catch some pumps, but you can get rugged very quickly. Now, the next thing I want to cover is an easy strategy that you can actually safely use to trade crypto instead of trying to catch these pumps, because you could get wiped out. You're going to come over to your chart, potentially on TradingView. This is just what I like to use. And you're going to search up indicators. You're going to look up the EMA, which is the exponential moving average. Plug that into your charts. You're going to then edit your EMA for the top number to be set as 20. The bottom number to be set as 50, but ultimately this is your main key. So if some of the indicators pop up where you don't know exactly which one to press, just make sure that number is sitting at a 20, the exponential moving average, okay? As you can see, that line is going to look something like this. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you are going to type in Watson envelope, okay? You can see right here, Lux Algo, Watson envelope. You're going to plug that into your charts. And voila. The next thing you're going to do is go change your charts to the 4-hour time frame. This is just what I like to use, preferably on this. And this is going to be one of your recipes to trade the swings on these plays. Now, we're going to cover BONK because I want to explain to you where I think it's going to go. Am I still bullish on BONK? But I just want to point out these indicators for you, right? Once the price crosses over the 20 EMA, it becomes bullish. Now, I want to show you how important this is because we're on the 4-hour time frame. You would have went long right here when it crossed the 20 EMA. Now, since that time frame where you would have went long, I'll drop this above. Has it crossed over? Has it crossed over? Has it crossed over? No, it crossed right here where you would have gotten out at a 177% gain. Now, this is just one basic example, and I did not prep this one, okay? This is just one basic example, and I did not prep this one. How you use them in tandem, let me remove drawings really quick. Use the top of the Watson envelope, the green line as your overbought levels, and then the center line as your oversold levels, keeping it very, very simple. So what would have happened is you would have seen the price action cross over the 20 EMA, then you would have saw it get potentially overbought, come back to retest price action, and the Watson envelope came in and gave it an oversold signal, and you could have gotten back in. Now, what this would have done, if you wanted to trade very, very tight to these indicators, it would have saved you 6%. Okay, with a re-entry at 6%, you come up once again, and the same setup has happened again. So on, so forth. Overall, this is a very good recipe to trade crypto, in my opinion, especially where it's trading at right now. Now, I also want to point out a couple of things. The Lux Algo Watson envelope gave a buy signal right here on BONK, okay, November 26th, 2024. You can see right here it wicked down, and that was the bottom so far on BONK. Now, if you did take this buy signal, you're up 6%, and you were up 9% on BONK. Where do I think BONK is going to go? First of all, we broke out below this parallel channel, which obviously gave a bearish signal. You can see that right here. Came up, retested, got rejected, and now it has been making lower lows. What we essentially need to do is break the recent high, which is right up here at 4045, basically, and come back, potentially base that before moving higher. Ultimately, what I see on BONK, I see crypto as a whole getting another move up. I do not think it is over. However, the S&P 500 is obviously going to give us a stronger look tomorrow as far as direction goes. Right now, if I were to buy into BONK, which I did add more, I alerted Discord earlier today, easy gain, first price target 4063789, a 50% gain. Next price target I do think is going to get hit 4074937. Next price target I do think is going to get hit 4082, 92% gain. Ultimate price target, which I do think could possibly get hit, it has a decent chance at getting hit, is 4092860. And if things are getting really crazy, you have a couple price targets after that where you take off a 0 and you come to 3012. Ultimately, I am still bullish on BONK, but it's not just BONK. You have to watch the crypto space as a whole. I also showed you in the video I've uploaded earlier a liquidation chart of PEPE and BONK, and I actually showed you that people were buying up PEPE and BONK on the 24-hour time frame. So the last 24 hours, which is roughly this right here, people have actually been loading the boat on PEPE and BONK. Why is that? Well, that is because it broke below, okay? It broke below crucial support. Now, normally this is very bearish, but people are seeing it as a dip buy opportunity because people are optimistic during this cycle. This is now acting as a demand zone, okay? Between these levels is acting as a demand zone. The Watson envelope also gave you a buy signal earlier on PEPE at the same time as BONK, and you'd be up a decent percentage. It is fighting structural resistance that was once support to break higher. This is a key level that you are going to want to watch. Obviously, PEPE traded in this flag, and it gave us a bearish signal breaking to the downside of this flag. But a lot of times, this is just a fake out and you see that move higher. I've seen it time and time again. I've seen it on GameStop several times, AMC several times, other stocks several times. Now, from where PEPE is trading at right now, I have a couple price targets. Obviously, the all-time high, which is a 37% gain. But my next price target, which I ultimately think will get hit, is 4028775, which is a 58% gain. Next up, I see 95% gain at 4035340. Potentially here, and then capping out around here. Again, same percentage gains when BONK ends up ripping as well. 4 zeros, basically 4. And that is the top that I see for PEPE as of right now because it already had some crazy moves. But again, I'm just a guy on YouTube. I don't give financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Now that I've said all that, we come back and we take a look at this junk coin that we saw on pump.fun get absolutely rugged even though you saw it pumping. This is why I'm saying be very, very careful. Okay, the market cap probably ran up and the dev probably pulled. And I'm just going to say right now, let me know if you are buying any lottery coin. I will pin the link to my coin in the description so you can check it out, or you can grab some. Again, completely up to you guys. You're going to need a Phantom wallet and some Solana in there. It's pretty easy. As far as everything else goes, if you want to ask me about it or come join the Discord, I'm in here on the daily. I also post my trades as soon as I take them. Come talk stocks and crypto with me and the most amazing people all day long. Level yourself up, guys. I am doing a Black Friday sale currently. So that means that the price you're getting at now, which I didn't want to make a sale, you will be paying that price forever. So you're grandfathered in. So shout out to whoever gets in this week in Discord before Black Friday. Go follow my Twitter. We have almost 2,000 followers. So shout out to everyone who is fighting against corruption with me. Don't forget to get your free stocks. The link is in the description. For Moomoo, once you sign up through my account and make a deposit into your account, you will start earning up to 15 free stocks, each valued up to $2 grand per stock, a customizable earnings calendar, level 2 order book data, a $30 cash reward, all that other good stuff, and 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash, which is insane because when you're not trading, you're earning a crazy percentage on your cash over in Moomoo. So again, just sign up. It's a free broker and deposit into your account. Start trading over there. Great tools. That is it, guys. Let me know if this video helped you out in any way or you found interest out of this video. Make sure to turn post notifications on so that you guys can stay up to date with everything that is happening and that you can make some money with us. I love you all. God bless. Lottery Stocks out.